Are you thinking about buying Kovo? Well, before you make that decision, there are 7 important things you need to know. Kovo might seem like just another tool in the crowded space of digital solutions, but it stands out in a few key ways that you'll want to be aware of before you make the final purchase. Stick around till the end because I'm going to break down exactly what you should consider, including how it stacks up against the competition. First things first, Kovo offers an easy-to-use platform that's designed to streamline your business operations. But don't let that simplicity fool you. Unlike other products that promise ease and end up being full of hidden complexities, Kovo provides a clean user experience that's powerful without overwhelming you. Whether you're running a small business or need something more robust for your team, it adapts well. Next thing, let's talk integrations. One of Kovo's strongest suits is how seamlessly it integrates with other tools you're already using. From CRMs to accounting software, it plays well with others, which isn't always the case with some of its competitors. Many similar tools force you into their ecosystem, which can be a deal breaker for a lot of users. Kovo understands that and makes it easy to integrate with the tools you already trust. The third thing to consider is Kovo's pricing structure. It's competitive, but in a way that might make you think twice. Some of Kovo's competitors offer similar features at a lower price, but Kovo's real value lies in its customization options. You're not just paying for a one-size-fits-all solution. You're paying for something that adapts to your needs, which can save you time and money in the long run, but I'll get more into that in a minute. Moving on, another important point is Kovo's customer support. This is where it really shines in comparison to others. When you run into issues, it's easy to get in touch with a real person who can help, not just a chatbot. The level of customer service you receive with Kovo feels more personalized, and they actually seem to care about solving your problems fast. Unlike some other companies, who leave you hanging for days, Kovo's support team is known for being quick to respond and extremely helpful. Next thing, let's dive into the user interface. In the crowded world of business tools, a cluttered interface can be a major turnoff. Some competitors tend to overload their dashboard with unnecessary features. Kovo keeps it simple yet functional, offering a streamlined experience that's efficient without overcomplicating things. You'll spend less time figuring out how to use the software and more time actually using it. The fifth thing you need to know is how Kovo helps with automation. Whether it's for managing your tasks, setting up reminders, or tracking progress, Kovo offers automation features that help reduce the manual workload. Many competitors offer similar tools, but what sets Kovo apart is its level of customization. It allows you to automate exactly the way you need it, giving you flexibility without sacrificing control. Now, the sixth thing you need to know is security. In today's digital world, cybersecurity is a top priority, and Kovo takes it seriously. With its enterprise-level encryption and regular updates, you're getting a high level of protection that some other tools just can't match. It ensures your data stays safe and compliant, which is especially important if you're dealing with sensitive information. The seventh thing you need to know is that Kovo isn't just another tool you buy and forget about. They offer ongoing updates and continuous improvements. Other platforms might get stagnant once you buy them, but Kovo's team consistently works to enhance the product. This means that over time, you're not just stuck with what you bought. You're getting new features and improvements that make your experience even better. If you're thinking about trying out Kovo, don't forget that you can get the best offer and even try it completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. This is a great opportunity to dive into the software without any risk and see if it works for your business. Make sure you take advantage of the exclusive benefits available only through that link. So, to recap, Kovo stands out in a crowded marketplace because it offers seamless integrations, great customer support, strong security, and a simple yet powerful interface. If you want to try out Kovo for yourself, click the first link in the description to get the best free trial and exclusive benefits. Don't miss out.